I'm ready. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm ready. Hi guys, how are you today? Hi guys, how are you today? Pause. My name is Bailey Sarian. If you didn't know. Okay, a lot of the times when I film these videos, I ask you guys, hey guys, how are you doing today? Something like that, right? Hey guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian. And everyone says, today, my name is Bailey Sarian. But like there's a pause or a question mark after today. Anyways, hi. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Bailey Sarian. We're already on to a great start, I could tell. So I was kind of sitting here for a while trying to decide what do I want this video to be, because in my mind, I want this to be a grunge makeup tutorial. I should just stick with that, right? Just do what you want, Bailey. Before we get started, I just have to acknowledge the fan that's blowing in my hair. So if you see my hair moving, which I know you do, it's my fan because it gets really hot in here. I think that's it. Also, today's video is sponsored by Fragrance.com. Fragrance.com has been an online retailer since 1997, and they sell their fragrances up to 80% off. 80% off. And mind you, the fragrances are authentic. So you're probably wondering, well, Bailey, how do they sell their authentic fragrances for 80% off? Because that was my question when I first came across their website. And, you know, I was like, there's no way. Fragrance.com gets all of their products from the same manufacturers as the retailers or the bigger stores do. The reason that they are able to sell at 80% off is because they are mainly an online retailer. So they don't have to pay those costly fees that it would cost a company to run a store or storefront. So they are able to mark things down because they're mainly online only. And they have almost every fragrance you can think of. I went onto this website, fragrance.com, and I was like, I'm gonna like pick out some stuff. I was originally going to get something for me and Fernando, but I was mad at Fernando at the time. So I ended up just getting myself 3 fragrances. But let me show you what I picked out. I got a sample of this at Sephora. This was like a year ago when it first came out because I was obsessed with the packaging. So I wanted the fragrance so bad because the packaging is gorgeous. Look at it. Are you looking? This is Marc Jacobs Decadence. This one is like a sensual, woodsy, luxurious scent. I am extremely sensitive when it comes to fragrance. I always make sure to like try a sample or wear it. Like I'll go into Sephora and like spray it and then go buy somewhere else. Is that shady? But I have to wear it around and make sure it doesn't trigger a migraine. Then I picked up the Gucci Bloom, and this one is more like it's a floral scent, but it's not that overpowering, synthetic-y grandma's bathroom. I really like this one. And it's funny because I've never in my life been a floral type of girl, but this one is just right. Lastly, I picked up this one. It's the Tom Ford Neroli, Portofino. I should look it up.
Neroli.
Tom Ford Neroli, Portofino. Did I do it? Nice. This one is fresh citrus and fruits, but it smells like the beach, but in a really good way. Like it just reminds me of like being in the sun. It's the freaking beach in a bottle. I don't know how they did it, but it smells bomb. I wore this one all last weekend and I actually got complimented. It is a parfum, so it's stronger. People were telling me that I smelled good. You don't understand. No one ever compliments how I smell. It's a big deal. Fragrance.com, you can find these Tom Ford, Gucci, Yam Bougie for 80% off. They're also offering a 30% off discount, so 80% off, and now you're gonna get a 30% discount. It's good until the end of September, and the discount code is just Bailey. Type that in, you'll get an additional 30% off. One more thing, and I swear I'm done. I am doing a giveaway with these 3 fragrances, Marc Jacobs, Tom Ford, and the Gucci. And if you head over to my Instagram, which I will link down below, you can enter to win one of these fragrances. So don't forget to check that out. Why am I doing this? Now I will shut up and let's get into the tutorial video thing. I don't know yet. I'm going to start with my foundation. So this is the Chanel Ultra Wear All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. Boom shakalaka. I have the shade BD30. This has easily become like one of my favorite foundations. I'm applying with the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. Now I did get a spray tan, so my face is kind of pale compared to my body. It's kind of fading off though. Holy shit. That pimple is so big and angry. What am I gonna do? I don't know how oh, it's fine. I don't know how they did it with this foundation. It's a matte foundation, but like it's not. But it's matte, but it's not. So I like to apply this on all over. It can give you anywhere from like a light to a fuller coverage. Like I'm more on the dry side. So if it's a matte foundation, normally it scares me, right? It's matte, but like it's not drying. I always put foundation on my ears because they're so pale compared to the rest of me. This is the Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I have the shade Creme, and I'm going to use this as my concealer. You guessed it. How'd you know? See how it dries like matte, this foundation? Can you see that? I don't know how they do it. It just looks nice. I don't know, man. Wizard. It's a wizard foundation. I'm putting this everywhere. Sorry. Under my eyes, around my mouth, my chin, middle of my forehead, down the center of my nose. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender. Here she is. Blend it out. I think the best little trick with this concealer, I think it was Nikki Tutorials. I'm sure you're familiar with Nikki YouTube, you know. She said that she kind of lets the concealer sit and like kind of dry a little bit before she blends it out. And I never used to do that until, I think I did it on accident or something. Anyways, she's totally right. It's way better if you let it dry a little bit. I don't know, like you just don't blend it. You get the coverage still. So just let it sit under your eyes, like blend your chin and or your forehead and stuff before your under eye, and it's just so much better. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is a shade 10 Fair Light. I've really been liking this for my under eyes. I pretty much set everywhere. For my eyebrows, M Cosmetics Fine Liner Brow Pencil. This is Deep Taupe. Just going to fill in my brows. Nothing too exciting really, I guess. Gosh, I love this pencil. Every time I use it, I'm like, damn, I love you. It's just like so, it's creamy, like it's easy to apply. You know how some brow pencils are like really rough and make it impossible to apply without scraping out your brow hairs? I don't know, maybe that's just experiences I have had. But with this one, it's creamy to where it applies easily, but it dries matte so that you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. It's just so good. For my eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna use the Jouer concealer. Just a little dab-a-doo-dah. Dab-a-doo-dah. I need a brush. Where's my brush? Hello? I guess this one will work. Blend it out. So for this look, I wanted to do like a grunge look. Now again, I think I said this in the last grunge video I did. Anytime I do a quote unquote grunge makeup look, never fails. There's a handful of comments that say, this is not grunge. When I used to wear grunge makeup in Seattle in 1993, this is not what we did. I'm like, okay, I get it. So get that comment out now. I'll wait. Okay, you done? All right. It's just gonna be matte, dark brown eyeshadows. To me, that's grunge. Grunge is a lifestyle. I haven't showered in like forever. I'm so grunge. So, Lunatic Cosmetics. Have you heard of them? I've heard of them, but I haven't tried any of their stuff. Anyways, they reached out to me and they're like, hey, we would love to send you some stuff. And I was like, okay. And they sent me this. Look at it. Do you see this? Magic. This, when I first saw this, I was like, wow, what a beautiful eyeshadow palette, right? And then I read the back and it's called the Contour Palette. Anyways, I've been using it for eyeshadow and it's like my favorite new thing ever. I guess this section right here is blush, and then we have the contour shades. I've used this one to contour my cheek, I used this one to contour my cheek and whatnot. It was great. For eyeshadows, it's just magical. And then they also sent me, I'm trying to make room on this tiny ass desk I have. Okay, and then they also sent me this one, which again is a contour palette. Focus. There she is. This is a contour palette. I thought this was eyeshadow. Oh, maybe I'll use this one. This is the Contour Volume 2 palette. And I was like, what? Again, I opened this, been using it as eyeshadows. I'm gonna use this one, I think. I kind of like this one. So I'm gonna use this. It's the Volume 2. I'm gonna use this for my eyeshadow instead. So with the crease brush, this one's from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. You guessed it, crease. So I'm just gonna place this back and forth. When I saw that was a contouring palette, I was like, what? Plus the pans are huge. So I'm really just patting it onto my crease. I'm like patting and then blending. Should I zoom you in? Hold on. Better? Anyways, flat eyeshadow brush. This one's by Smashbox. It's the all over shadow brush. I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's like a rust. Is that rust brown? All over my lid. I want to look a little sickly, but not that sick. Like, is she sick? I can't tell. Like, I want that, you know, like taking my crease brush again and just kind of softening that. Love that. Now I'm going to take this shade right here. This damn chair is so annoying, but this shade right here, same brush. I hate this chair. I have to get a new chair. I keep saying I'm going to and I forget. Oh, whoa. Right on the outer part of my lid. Out of my own curiosity, I just want to see what this one looks like. I might ruin it. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Oh, I kind of love that. Oh, it kind of looks like a bruise, huh? I like it. Okay, so let's do this yellow shade right here. Let's put this up in here. Oops, I kind of messed it up, huh? This shade right here along my lower lash line, just go for it, you know? There's no right or wrong here. It's my motto. And then some of this shade, some of this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. A little bit, like right on the edge, just right in here. I don't know. Now I'm going to dust off the loose powder. I want to try, let me wipe this brush down. In the contour palette, the original one, I believe this is. Yes, this is the first one. I want to use this shade as my contour right in here. And then that same shade along my jawline. And then right up in here. Sides of my nose. I try so hard with nose contour, but like, I have the Maybelline City Bronzer. This is number 300 and it's way too dark for me. I normally use number 200 and I can't find it. I misplaced it, which is weird because like, where could it go? Anyways, if I just go very lightly with this, it works. Or I'm in denial and it doesn't work. And I think it works, but it really doesn't work. But I think it works. Dude, what is that? Black eyeshadow? How did black eyeshadow end up on my neck? Gorgina. This contour looks pretty good, and then this one looks, it's a damn pimple. It's throwing me off. I know. This isn't grunge. Shut up. So I was thinking maybe I could add just like a little bit of a shimmer in there, a little bit. So this is Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics. It's just like right in here. Oh, and right at the arch of my brow. This is the Marc Jacobs Fine Liner Ultra Skinny Gel Eye Crayon in, I don't know, but it's brown. Like, I don't know the name of it, but it's brown. And I'm going to come right in between my lashes, so I'm just tightlining. Oh, the way the fan's hitting me and this is tickling. Ooh, hold on. This is creepy, but like another way you can tightline is to kind of like hold the lid up. It's uncomfortable to watch. Sorry. Yeah, that's really uncomfortable. Then I'm going to come on my lower lash line, or my waterline, I should say. Oops. Whenever I get messy with it, I just kind of like smudge it. You know what? Oops. Okay, now I'm going to put on some mascara. This is, here it is. This is the Lash Princess by Essence. I just put it on like this. So for lip, this is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, and it's the shade Live on the Edge, number 5. These have quickly become my new favorite. Like, they're so good. And look, there's a sharpener on the other end. Wow. Oh, I wasn't ready. Now it's just gonna get everywhere. I got the shakes. Hold on. I like this, but I want more of like a brown. So hold on. Okay. Wow. Great job, Bailey. This is, let me shake it. It's so old. I should probably throw it away. But this is Black Moon Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Grim. I got this back when I was living at the old house. So that's how I know it's really old. I could just do grunge looks forever. And there you go. This is the finished look. Do you like it? I can't tell if I like it. I mean, I think I do. There's something in my teeth. Is it cute? I think so. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this look down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and a big thank you to fragrance.com for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check them out. 30% off discount. Use code Bailey. And also hop over to my Instagram for a giveaway as well. This went by so quick. Nothing else to add? Gloss? Nah. I want it to be matte. Yeah. Anyways, enough, Bailey. Enough. I hope you have a wonderful day today. You make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.